In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stabilize video in Capcut, a fantastic tool for editing your videos with ease and precision. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Capcut offers a user-friendly interface and features that make video editing accessible and fun. Let's dive right in and explore how to stabilize a video using Capcut. First, head over to your web browser and navigate to capcut.com. Once you're on the website, you'll want to start a new project. To do that, look for a button labeled Create New and give it a click. This will open a new workspace for you to start editing your video within the Capcut editor. Now that you have a new project set up, the next step is to select the canvas at which you want to work. You'll see various options displayed. Choose one that fits the dimensions and orientation you need for your video, ensuring it's suitable for your intended output like social media platforms or a particular view format. Once your canvas is ready, it's time to upload your video. Now, find and click on the Upload button. This will allow you to bring in the media files you want to work on. When you click Upload File, a dialog will pop up for you to navigate to your PC's file system. Look for the video file you'd like to stabilize, select it, and click Open to upload it to Capcut. After your video is successfully uploaded, it'll appear in the media library on your workspace. Simply click on this uploaded video to place it onto the editing timeline. This step makes it easier for you to access different editing features and visualize the changes as they happen. With your video selected, look toward the top right corner of your video editing interface. You'll see a tab labeled Basic. Click on this tab to access basic editing options, including the stabilization feature we need. In the Basic panel, scroll down until you locate the Stabilize option. This is where the magic happens. Toggle the Stabilize switch on to activate video stabilization. This feature will help smooth out any shakiness in your video, delivering a much more polished and professional look. Finally, after enabling stabilization, you'll notice an option labeled Level. Click on it to reveal various stabilization settings. For the most polished result, choose Most Stable. This setting will apply the highest level of stabilization to your video, ensuring the best possible smoother playback.